First of all, I wish you all happy Christmas. And I'm very happy to introduce Sri Jagadish Shukla Deshmukh, and he studies Navodaya, admitted in Navodaya School, Bhusawal in Jharkhand district of Maharashtra in the year 1993, and he completed his 10th class in Navodaya in the year 1998, and was the first one holder at the time. And he moved out of Navodaya and he studied in Nashik Division Board School, and he was second rank holder in political science. And after that, he joined BTech in mechanical engineering, and he secured BTech degree from BJP College, Mumbai, in the year 2004. And after that, he was a lecturer in three engineering colleges in Mumbai and Pune. And then he skipped teaching, and he moved out from jobs, and he realized that he has to serve the society. And for the last 10 years, he is full-time devoted in ISKCON. ISKCON is International Society for Krishna Consciousness, for spreading the spiritual knowledge and guiding the students of schools and colleges in life farming skills all over the country. Until now, he has gone through 42 Navodaya Vidyalaya, and in the last year, and almost more than 1,000 schools and colleges for spreading life farming and skills programs. And today, he has visited our school to motivate you, to give you guidance in ethical values. So, on behalf of NLS School, I welcome you to this program and this individual.
Yes. Wish you all good afternoon. First of all, I would like to thank our dear madam for allowing me to stay here one day and then have discussions with you regarding life science, life values, life skills. थोड़ा हिंदी समझते हैं लोग? हिंदी समझ पाते?
Hindi, most of them English background.
Okay. English? Okay, sir. 6th class?
They can understand English.
हाँ? हिंदी?
Hindi not that.
अपनी भाषा, देश की भाषा, राष्ट्र भाषा. ओके, आई विल स्पीक इंग्लिश. लेकिन थोड़ा कुछ जो है कुछ अपना
That's okay.
दिल की बात जो है या मन की बात, आत्मा की बात अपनी भाषा में ज़्यादा आसान होता है. हिंदी बिल्कुल समझ में नहीं आता, ऐसा कौन है? हिंदी समझ में नहीं आता, ऐसा कौन है? एनीबॉडी कि हिंदी बिल्कुल समझ में आता? डू यू अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी? हाँ, बेसिक पॉइंट्स, बेसिक थिंग. हाँ, क्योंकि हमें अपने देश की भाषा भी आना चाहिए. नवोदय विद्यालय जो है पूरे देश का एक परिवार, वन फैमिली, वन कुटुंब, वन फैमिली. सो देश भाषा very important to know, to understand, to speak, because then Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti purpose will be served. जो विचार है समिति का कि देश एक बने, एक देश, एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत, एक भारत, एक श्रेष्ठ भारत. एक कैसे बनेगा? जो अपना कॉमन लैंग्वेज है हिंदी भाषा देश का, वो हमें आना चाहिए. इंग्लिश इज नॉट अवर कंट्री लैंग्वेज, इंग्लिश इज फॉरेन लैंग्वेज. इट इज़ यूजफुल फॉर सम थिंग्स, बट अपना देश का भाषा छोड़कर केवल इंग्लिश बोलकर हम क्या बन जाएंगे? हम इंग्लिश मैन बन जाएंगे, ब्रिटिश बन जाएंगे। कैसे? कल्चर वाइज, अवर लिटरेचर वाइज, लिटरेचर, साहित्य। तो ठीक है, थोड़ा हिंदी बोलेंगे, इंग्लिश भी बोलेंगे, क्योंकि कुछ बच्चों का भी वो इतना नहीं समझेगा, तो इंग्लिश भी बोलेंगे। आई वॉज लेक्चर, इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में लेक्चरशिप किया 8 साल, तो मैं इंग्लिश बोल सकता हूँ। लेकिन एक होता है कि जो मैसेज है, जो अपना संदेश है जीवन का, अपनी भाषा में थोड़ा आसान है। ठीक, मुझे आज बहुत खुशी है कि आज मैं जवाहर नवोदय विद्यालय चिकमंगलूर श्रीगोड़ू में आया हूँ। हम लोग 25 साल पहले इन द ईयर 1998 नवोदय विद्यालय से पास आउट हो गया, 10वीं हुआ। आई वॉज माई बेस्ट टॉपर इन क्लास, डिवीजन टॉपर, पूना रीजन. At that time, nobody stayed in campus for 11, 12. They all moved out because there was not science stream in the JNU Bhusawal. So we went to state board, and then there I was second topper in division, national division board. And first time when I saw Navodaya gate while taking admission, it was written there on the gate, "Come to learn, go to serve." शिक्षा के लिए आइए, सेवा के लिए जाइए। So I was so happy, so excited, so much surprised to know that such a wonderful motto is there. इतना सुंदर विचार समिति का, नवोदय विद्यालय समिति का विचार। क्या विचार? पर्पज, अच्छा ज्ञान लेना, वी हैव टू टेक गुड नॉलेज, अच्छा ज्ञान लेना है, शिक्षा, एजुकेशन लेना है, अच्छा सीखना है, अच्छा कुछ समझना है। क्यों? केवल जॉब के लिए नहीं, पैसा कमाने के लिए नहीं। नॉट जस्ट लर्न एंड अर्न, पढ़ो और कमाओ, पैसा कमाओ, ऐसा नहीं। पढ़िए, अच्छा ज्ञान लीजिए, अच्छा सीखिए और सेवा कीजिए। दैट्स वाई जॉब इज नोन एज सर्विस। जॉब इज कॉल्ड सर्विस बिकॉज दैट mood of service is important, essential. Without that service service mood, our job is simply a work, mechanical work, a machine work, like a machine robot, and we become money-making machine. We become money-making machine. Simply for money, we are doing work. You may get money, आपको पैसा मिलेगा, you will get money, but money is not our goal, money is not our purpose of life. हम देखता है कि दुनिया में जो है, जितना पशु है, जितना पंछी है, जितना जीव है, उनको जीवन जीने के लिए एक पैसा भी नहीं लगता. All the living beings except human beings don't need a single penny to live a life. Do you see this in the society, in the world? कि they don't need, because अपना जीवन जो है, जो दिए हैं भगवान, उन्होंने सभी जीवों के लिए जीवन आवश्यक जो भी है, अन्न, जल, प्रकाश, लाइट, हवा, बुद्धि, ज्ञान, शक्ति, सब कुछ दिया है. By money we cannot buy these things. By money we cannot manufacture in companies जल, अन्न, वायु, आकाश, air, प्रकाश. God has given all these life essential atoms with life. to all living beings. We should see this. हमें देखना चाहिए कि भगवान जो जीवन दिए हैं, जीवन के साथ साथ जीवन आवश्यक जो भी है वो दिए हैं, व्यवस्था किया है. First we should see, we should know, and then we should express our gratitude, आभार, धन्यवाद. We should thank God for giving us life first and then all the essentials for life. Nowadays, somewhere while learning in school and colleges, we forget God. We forget God. We remember companies, we remember all the small people, but we forget the Supreme Lord who has given life, which is the most precious, and who has made such a wonderful universe. Not just one universe, billions and billions of universes in the existence. Modern science concepts nowadays, they speculate, they imagine that there may not be God to create anything, to create life. All these things have come from chemicals just by chance. That is their speculation. In last 200 years, Western people have speculated about the universal creation, life existence. जीवन कैसे आया? वो कल्पना, speculation, imagination by Darwin, Charles Darwin. What is that speculation? Some amino acids, some protein molecules might have mixed at some point of time, and then first living being, amoeba, first cell, single cell microorganism might have born. That is just speculation. And from single cell amoeba, all of the species of life might have been evolved. That is their speculation. And we blindly accept that without thinking that how is it possible, simply mixing chemicals, life can come. It's not possible. Because life comes from life. Life comes from life. I will give example. We have body, we all have bodies. सबका बॉडी है. सब सीधा बैठो, सिट स्ट्रेट. बहुत काम किया तो थक गया, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. आज सुबह पीटी किया, मॉर्निंग पीटी, ओके, टुडे वाज छुट्टी. तो बॉडी इज देयर, अपना बॉडी है. Nobody says I am the body. Nobody says I am the body. कोई ऐसा बोलता है मैं बॉडी हूँ, मैं शरीर हूँ, शरीर? कोई नहीं बोलता. हम क्या बोलते हैं? दिस इज माई बॉडी, ये मेरा शरीर है. बॉडी कीप्स चेंजिंग. बॉडी कीप्स चेंजिंग. आपका अनुभव है शरीर बदलता रहता है. जब जन्म लिया, when you were born, you must have seen the photo, your birth photo, first year photo, birthday photo, first year birthday photo. Body size, body shape, body form, and today's size, today body photo, body size, shape, form has much difference. Body has changed. और माइंड इज देयर. सबका मन है. मन यहीं पे है, बाहर है. मन कहाँ है आपका? यहाँ पे है क्या बाहर? यहाँ पे है ना. अच्छी बात है. बी हियर फॉर सम टाइम. मन जो है, मन वो भी बदलता रहता है. डू एक्सेप्ट माइंड कीप्स चेंजिंग? thoughts. How often? All time, moment to moment. Mind keeps changing, mind keeps thinking many things. Mind changes. Can you show the mind? Sir, my mind is so happy today. Can you show someone happy mind? My mind is not happy, sir. I am very sad today. Can you show someone? Madam, can you show? My mind is sad, madam. See. We can't show mind. But mind is there. Intelligence. Buddhi. Intelligence. You all have the good intelligence. That's why you have come to JNB in 6th class. Buddhi, nobody has seen. We can't see buddhi. इसका कम बुद्धि है, इसका ज़्यादा बुद्धि है. We cannot see. We can show. But mind, body, mind, intelligence, we can experience by the symptoms. By the symptoms. If someone has peaceful mind, we can say that yes, by symptom we can say his mind is peaceful. By his actions, symptoms. Even intelligence, we can know that someone is having more of intelligence, someone is having less intelligence. We can see, we can tell by actions, by his activities, symptoms. Ego is there. What is ego? Ego is our identification, our status, what we consider. हम क्या मानते हैं कि हम कौन हैं? अहंकार. There are two ahankaras. One is real ego, one is false ego. We must have the real ego. We must have the real ego. Our real status, real identity, what we are. We must not have the false ego, false identification. Suppose someone is peon, school peon, office peon, and if he behaves as a PM, that is not appreciated or seen good. कोई व्यक्ति पियून है लेकिन PM जैसा उसका चलना बोलना व्यवहार तो इतना अच्छा नहीं लगता है, बिकॉज दैट इज फॉल्स ईगो, झूठा अहंकार, मिथ्या अभिमान, जो हम नहीं हैं वो समझना. तो आवर रियल ईगो आइडेंटिफिकेशन इज दैट वी आर सेवक, सर्विटर्स, सेवक, servants. That's why we are supposed to serve. And Samiti is saying that go to serve. So that is our real status or real identification. Last point, mind. I discussed about body. Body keeps changing. Body we can see by our eyes. We can touch the body. We can see the body. We can take the photos of the body. But mind, intelligence and ego, they are subtle. They are subtle in nature, sukshma. They are beyond our capacity to see and to touch or to take the photograph. Not possible. Beyond body, mind, intelligence and ego, there is one most important element in this body with us. Can you guess what is that? Without which life cannot exist. There cannot be life without that one element, one thing in this body which does not change with time. Body keeps changing, body cells keep changing moment to moment, mind keeps changing, intelligence level keeps changing with time. Our ego, status, position, designation keeps changing with time. But one thing unchanging, non-changing in the body, in this our with us. Can you guess? What you can know? Can you tell me? Our soul, Atma, Jiva, our self, real self, Atma, Jiva. You see the word Jiva and then Jivana has relationship, connection. जीव है तो जीवन है, जीव है तो जीवन है. आप सब में जीव है, बॉडी में जीव है, इसलिए आप कौन है? सजीव है. कौन है? सजीव, लिविंग बीइंग, सजीवा. और जिसमें जीव नहीं, जिसमें जीव नहीं, वो क्या होता है? निर्जीवा, नॉन लिविंग. दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड. And the soul, please pay attention. I am discussing about the most important topic. What is that topic? Life. We study physics, we study chemistry, we study maths, we study all the things. We study sometimes sports, music, arts, commerce, but we forget to study our life. What is life? Because this life is not for all time. This human life which we have got now is not for all time. This human life is only for some time. Do you accept this? We have now human life. Some jivas have plant life, some jivas have insect life, insect. Some jivas have worm life, worms. Some jivas have devata life. Some jivas have demoniac life, demon life, asura, danava. Some are manava, human being. We are fortunate to get human life on the earth planet. Life is there everywhere in the universe. Life is there everywhere in the universe. How do we know? How do we know? Vedas state, Vedas explain, Vedas mention. What are Vedas? Vedas are knowledge bodies, bodies of knowledge. Veda means knowledge. Who gave Vedas? The Supreme Lord. The Supreme Lord gave Vedas. Why? To give, because without knowledge, nobody can know what is what. Who made this universe? Why he made this universe? How he made this universe? How can we know? Without knowledge, without Vedas. So when the Supreme Lord creates universal bodies, billions of universes, in each universe there are billions and billions of planets and stars within one universe. Within one universe, half universe is filled with water. On that water lies down Lord Vishnu, Garbhodaka Shai Vishnu lies down on that water within the universe. From his navel, a lotus flower is born lotus flower from his navel by his will when he wants to create living beings in the universe. First, lotus is born from his navel. On that navel, on that lotus flower, first living being, Lord Brahma is born. Modern scientists speculate what is the cause of universe, what is the cause of life. They speculate, they imagine. They cannot know for sure. They simply imagine. This might be the way, this might be the case. But Vedic science gives exact to the point very definitely about the details of the creation and all the purposes for what it has been created. When I was studying BTech course in Mumbai, that time I came across Bhagavad Gita, Vedic science books, Srimad Bhagavad, Mahapuran, Upanishad, and then I came to know that actual science, the real science, is given by the Supreme Lord Himself, and that science does not need research, doesn't need, because all things have been given in the first place only by God Himself. That knowledge is perfect. That knowledge is perfect, complete. Nothing is missing in that knowledge. If you want to know something by speculation, by imagination, you need research. Your search will never end. You will always need research. It's why? Because your search or our search will be imperfect, defective, because we have senses which are limited capacities, but the Supreme Lord has all the powers, all the knowledge, so He can give the perfect knowledge, the complete knowledge, who we are, what is this world, why this world is there. We should know. Science students, if they don't know, who am I, where from I have come, where I am supposed to go, why I am here, we don't know, then how can we be happy in life without knowledge? Simply studying mathematics, simply studying physics, chemistry, without knowing our own self, our own life, how can we be happy, satisfied? So when I came across Vedic books, yes boys, please pay attention. Some time is there. Pay attention. आप समझ नहीं पाता, समझ नहीं सकते. Don't you understand this point? Only some time now. This is important topic. ये अच्छा आवश्यक विषय है कि हमें अपना जीवन के लिए पता होना चाहिए कि हमने अनुभव किया है कि I have experienced that simply marks, percentage, simply but big package, big company name, big position will not give you all time satisfaction. They may give satisfaction only for some time in the beginning, but afterwards that same thing becomes very dissatisfying, miserable. So this knowledge will give you all the self-satisfaction, all the joy of life. Last 10 years, after giving up my job in college, I am doing this service of spreading this knowledge. Why? This is life science, by which my life became fulfilled. Not just my life, but millions of people have experienced their fulfillment with this knowledge. So I have that understanding that by this knowledge, definitely all our students also will be happy and satisfied in their present condition. ऐसा नहीं है कि सर पढ़ाई के बाद बहुत सुख मिलेगा, जॉब के बाद बहुत सुख मिलेगा, नहीं. यू कैन बी हैप्पी नाउ ऑल्सो. यू कैन बी हैप्पी नाउ ऑल्सो. With your marks, whatever you marks you get in exam, you can be happy. You can be happy. ऐसा नहीं है. So unless we get first position, how can we be happy? Unless we get a trophy in the competition, how can we be happy? No. We can be happy with our efforts. With our efforts. With our endeavors. We can be happy with our endeavors. All cannot get trophy, all cannot get the first position, but all can get, we all can get unlimited happiness, unlimited fulfillment, unlimited joy, satisfaction. Do you want that? Do you want that? Unlimited happiness, unlimited joy, satisfaction with whatever capacity you have, with whatever capacity, whatever ability you have, you can be most happy. ऐसा नहीं, sir, I am not so expert in sports, I am not so expert in music or arts, painting, sketching. How I can be successful? We all can be equally successful by knowing our basic life science. That I have seen. And that is the purpose of my visits. Last 10 years, I have gone to thousands of schools, colleges in the society to speak about life science. This is the real science given by the Supreme Lord Himself. And the essence of all the Vedic science is in Bhagavad Gita. Day before yesterday, that was Ekadashi, Vaikuntha Ekadashi, Mokshada Ekadashi, and that day is known as Gita Jayanti. Gita Jayanti. Today is the Jayanti of Lord Jesus. Lord Jesus was born today. Today means, today is the anniversary, 25th December. Jesus' birthday today. In the same way, Bhagavad Gita Jayanti. Gita was spoken first time on the battlefield of Mahabharata at Kurukshetra. How many years before? How many years ago? 5,000 plus years ago. Bhagavad Gita. Do you know Bhagavad Gita? A part of Mahabharata. Philosophy of life, philosophy of the universal creation, that who is God, who is a Jiva, what is this world, what is time factors, what is the law of karma, all this have been given. What is yoga, karma yoga, jnana yoga, dhyana yoga and bhakti yoga. All these have been given in Bhagavad Gita. My purpose to speak is simple, only one: to make you aware, to make you know, to let you know that if you want the empowerment, if you want fulfillment of the heart, if you want unlimited joy in life, one time in our life we must study a small book of Bhagavad Gita. Today all over the world people are studying Bhagavad Gita. Many places, colleges and universities are having Bhagavad Gita as a course. Why? It is the science, life science. Small book. We study so many big books for our academics, but for our life, if we study one time properly, read Bhagavad Gita, then you will get answers to all your questions of life. You will get solutions to all your problems of life. You will get all the options for your choice, all the options. So we need self confidence in life. आत्मविश्वास चाहिए। कोई भी फील्ड में अच्छा बनने के लिए क्या चाहिए? आत्मविश्वास। आत्मविश्वास कैसे आएगा? जब आत्मज्ञान नहीं होगा। क्योंकि आत्मा जो है बॉडी नहीं है, आत्मा मन नहीं है, आत्मा कोई अपने बुद्धि नहीं है। आत्मा क्या है? भगवान का अंश है, परमात्मा का अंश है। आत्मा इज द पार्ट ऑफ परमात्मा, सोल इज द पार्ट ऑफ सुपर सोल। आत्मा भगवान का अंश है। When you know the connection, when you know the relationship of the soul with the Supreme Lord, you can access the supreme power. You can access the power from the Supreme Lord by knowing the relationship. जैसे छोटा बच्चा जो होता है अपने माता पिता से मदद लेता है। Child takes help or the power from, support from mother, father, parents. Amma and Appa, huh? Amma and Appa? Okay. In the same way, if we know our mother, our father, for the soul, body has mother, father, but soul has the eternal father, eternal, all-time father, permanent father, for all time, in the heart, as a Paramatma. That song is there. तुम्ही हो माता पिता तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही। हैव यू हर्ड दिस सॉन्ग? तुम्ही हो माता पिता तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही। इन संस्कृत दे से त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बंधु च सखा तुम्ही। सुना है? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग? द सुप्रीम लॉर्ड इज द मदर, फादर, बंधु अ ब्रदर, सखा अ फ्रेंड, साथी और सपोर्ट, and Sahara, companion and help or support, Sahara. So if we know that our existence is not by chance, is not accidental, our existence, our life, pay attention, please pay attention, our existence is because of the Supreme Lord. Your life will have supreme meaning. Your life will have supreme meaning, supreme purpose. We'll see that our life is a plan of God, God's plan. You will be so focused, you will be so concentrated in your studies. आत्मविश्वास, आत्मविश्वास के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? आत्मज्ञान, सेल्फ नॉलेज विल गिव यू सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस। बहुत बच्चा पूछता है सर मन लगता नहीं पढ़ाई में, मन भटकता है, मन चंचल, मन बहुत डिस्टर्ब होता है, या बहुत चिंता आती है, बहुत निगेटिव थॉट्स आते हैं मन में, मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स, माइंड प्रॉब्लम्स। व्हाट इज द सॉल्यूशन? स्टूडेंट्स आस्क। So we say that mind is not focused because we are not happy, we are not satisfied. So mind is searching for something to be happy, to get some satisfaction. So by Atma Gyan, self knowledge, you will have self control, Atma Sanyam. You understand Sanyam? Control, Sanyam, Atma Sanyam. You'll be able to control your mind's unnecessary thoughts, useless thoughts. You can easily give up. You can be without useless thoughts. We need Atma Shanti. We need peace. That Atma Shanti also is possible by Atma Gyan, self knowledge. You will be peaceful. Why? To know that my life is maintained by the Supreme Lord. My Lord will take care, has taken care till now, he will definitely take care in the future. So there is no need to worry about it. You will have faith. You will have faith. When people don't have faith in God, they become fearful about future. They worry about future. Anxiety. They become anxious. What will happen? What will happen? Because no belief, no faith, no trust in Supreme Lord. See, students, बच्चों, हम विश्वास रखते हैं सब जगह. हम गाड़ी में बैठते हैं, ऑटो में बैठते हैं, बस में बैठते हैं, ट्रेन में बैठते हैं. हम विश्वास, वी कीप फेथ, हम विश्वास रखते हैं क्या? द ड्राइवर will take us safely. We keep faith. If we doubt in the beginning, before sitting in the bus, auto, if we doubt, can we enter in the bus? Can we sit inside the bus? No. We many times go out and then take food in the hotel, outside, restaurants. We keep faith in the people there, cooks, that they won't put poison in the food. We keep faith that the food is safe. We keep faith. If we doubt, we cannot take anything, we cannot eat anything. बच्चों, विश्वास के बिना विश्वास के हम एक मिनट भी जी नहीं सकते. We keep faith that this roof will not fall down. We keep faith. Sometimes this happens that the roof falls down, people get injured, killed sometimes. But we keep faith. Nothing will happen, at least today, nothing will happen. Without faith, without belief, we cannot live for 1 minute. Then why not keep faith? Why not believe the Supreme Lord, who is our eternal Father, eternal Mother, eternal well-wisher, eternal companion in the heart? Students, if we know and believe that we are part of God, you will have unlimited scope to access that power, Supreme Lord's power, for your intelligence, for your mind, for your studies, for your all activities. You can access that. How to access? So it is mentioned that last 10 minutes. नहीं सुनना? हो गया? बोर हो गया? हाँ? What is lunch time? Okay, last 5 minutes, ठीक है? 5 minutes. Because I have come from long distance. If I don't share what has made our life fulfilled, successful, then I will feel that I haven't done my duty properly. So basic points. अच्छा पढ़ाई के लिए, अच्छा कोई भी काम के लिए मन कैसा चाहिए? शांत चाहिए. बुद्धि कैसा चाहिए? तेज बुद्धि, शार्प इंटेलिजेंस. कैसे मिलेगा? सर, मेडिकल शॉप में मेडिसिन मिलता है, एक दवा मिलता है, कैप्सूल मिलता है, खाने से कि नहीं अच्छा मन शांत हो जाता है, बुद्धि दौड़ता है, तेज बुद्धि. ऐसा कोई मेडिसिन नहीं है. We need the proper methods, mindset, or proper lifestyle. तो समिति विचार, समिति का जो मोटो, come to learn. This point, if we know that our purpose to come in Navodaya Vidyalaya is to learn good things, not just give exams. Giving exams is not our motto. Giving exams is not our purpose. Our purpose is what? To gain knowledge. Definitely, if you have knowledge, you will give good exams. You will get good marks. Purpose is to learn. Simple learning. Learning process will give you joy. It will give you focus. I am learning. I may fail sometimes, no problem, but I am learning. You'll be happy. Don't focus on marks, the outcome. Focus on our input, our endeavor. And while learning, not just for earning money, learning for contribution. Learning for contribution to society. Why? In Navodaya school, we get everything from the society. Not just education, but sabun, soap, oil, food, clothing, our shoes, chappal, books, everything we get. And what to speak about the teachers? In Navodaya, what is our the best fortune? Topmost fortune? Navodaya school, we have teachers to care us, to love us, to pay attention to us, to guide us 24 hours. 24 hours, teachers are with us in the campus for us. In society, we see, pay attention. बच्चों को इंग्लिश समझता नहीं है, हिंदी समझता नहीं, इंग्लिश समझता नहीं, कौन सी भाषा बोलूँ? कन्नड़ा कन्नड़ा आई डोंट नो. लास्ट 5 minutes, 2 minutes कि if you can know that teachers are our maintainers, our guides all time in the school, please express your gratitude by your good behavior, by respecting them, by following their advice, by listening their talks or their teaching or their guidelines. Without that gratitude, your life will not be better or shining. We must express our gratitude to teachers or parents, mother, father, and of course the Supreme Lord also, by accepting that yes, my life is possible because of your blessing or your support. Any questions? Any doubts? Last 1 minute. Any questions? Any doubts? I can speak many things, but if anybody has any question, any doubt, I don't know whether you understood or not. Did you understand? Whatever I spoke about our life. Our life is a gift of God. Our life is a gift of God. So we must use it in the best possible way as a service to God. Wish you all the best. Wish you all the best. Thank you all. Today I am there. Thank you. Today, one day I am in the campus. Tomorrow I will leave for other school. So we can meet in our campus, in houses for boys I can meet. Girls can meet outside. If they have questions, if they have personal any consultation, I am there. One day, today I am there. Okay, thank you.
being happy to invite you. And we have been very good. And nowadays we are blessed for coming over here and sharing all this knowledge with us. Thank you so much, Arvin Baba. Thank you.